Hey guys, and welcome back to Learn How to Dance, where you can find step-by-step tutorial of the most popular dances, TikTok dances, Fortnite dances, and other awesome dances. So, today we're gonna do a dance tutorial on how to do the I'm a Savage TikTok dance. So, this one. So the creator of this dance, Kiki, has already made a tutorial on her TikTok, so if you haven't watched it yet, go check it out. I'll post her name somewhere here. Now, this tutorial is only meant for the ones that are still struggling after having watched hers. And a big thanks to Kiki for creating such an awesome dance. And as always, thank you guys so much for all the requests, and thank you, Angelina, for being the first one to request it. Alright, let's just jump right into it. I'm gonna break the dance into two parts, as I always do. Now, if you are a fast learner, you can just skip to my full dance preview and run through. Okay, let's start with a preview of part one. So it goes whoa, clap, swing, swing, and a hips and hips, boom, hey, wavy, wave, throw it back. And for the guys out there, I'll also do the Lopez version, which is boom instead. Hey guys, I just want to remind you that you can change your YouTube speed settings down below if you think I'm going too fast or too slow. So let's break down part one. We want to start with our left. Left goes up here, and then we want to say right comes up, left goes down, so they're crossing. Yeah, and now they want to go back. Whoa, let's just try that. So left goes up, now they're crossing, and then you want to go opposite. Whoa, so it's the whoop prep and a whoa again. 5, 6, 7, 8, we go left, cross, back. Let's just try that one last time. 5, 6, 7, 8, we go left, cross, left. From here, you want to swing it all the way around, so it's the left, and then you want to say clap. Now you don't have to exaggerate, you can do a subtle lift if you want. So let's just go from the beginning, we go prep, left, cross, left, and around, and clap. Let's just try that. 5, 6, 7, 8, we go left, cross, left, and around, and clap. Now let's just try that one last time. Left, 5, 6, 7, 8, we go left, left, around, clap. So, boom, boom, around, clap. From here, your arms want to say swing left, swing right. Yeah, so right after clap, you go swing left, swing right. Now the hips are saying dip to the left, dip down, up, right. Yeah, so it's a boom, boom. Yeah, you can also do it up here if you want. Just move the hips from left to right. And I would say if you want to do the guy version, just have it up here. Whoop, 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 whoop. So let's just try that from the clap. 5, 6, 7, 8, we go left, right. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8, we go left, right. Alright, now let's just try to do boom, boom, around, back, swing, right. 5, 6, 7, 8, we go left, cross, left, around, and clap. Now we want to say swing left, right. Let's try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8, we go left, and left, round, and clap. Hips, left, right. So, left, right. From here, you want to say, I actually take a small step back with my left, sorry, my right, because I want to say my hips is saying left and left. Yeah, so notice I'm swinging my hip. I'm bending my knees a bit so I can swing it up to the side. Yeah, let me just show you here from the side. I'm going swing it to the side, my left side. Boom, boom, boom. And in this case, I'll do it to the front. Boom, boom. So let's see. Swing, swing. Take a step back with your left, right, and go hip, and hip. Yeah? Let's just do the hips. So from here we want to do whoom and whoom. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go whoom and whoom. One at a time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Step back. Whoom, whoom. Now the arms are saying the right is going up to your head like that, and then the left is saying touch around. And you can do different things. You can just keep it here, or you can go pull, I think, or just keep it here actually, up to you. So you want to say around and pull. So around and pull, or around and keep. So let's just go swing, swing, around, pull. So swing, swing. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go swing, swing, around, and pull. Once again, 5, 6, 7, 8. We go left, right, swing, hip. Now, as for the guys, so from here, instead of going whoom, hey, you can go cross, down, and pull left. So it's almost the same. Basically just saying cross here and pull left. And you're taking a step to your left. So let's see, you go swing left, right, and then you want to say here and here. Yeah, so we can do the hip thing, or you can just go knees in, out. So you go hip, back. So whoom and hip, back. Okay, let's just do the last part of part 1 here. So right after swing, swing, from here, I'm taking a step back with my right here, and then I go with my left arm, I go elbow, so hit to the left, and then I want to swing the left arm around to down here approximately. And then I want to do the wave. Yeah, just fake it. So we just did whoom, ha, step to the front again, and then you want to do left elbow, hit, then around to down here, and then we want to say wave. Let's try that again. So we're going whoom, ha, and a step, hit. Sorry, this arm goes down, hit, and around, and wave here. So let's just go whoom, ha, and a ha, around, wave. So 5, 6, 7, 8. We go round, hit, and elbow, around, wave. Let's try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go around, hit, and step, elbow, around, wave. Now, right after the wave, you wanna, for the girls, you wanna do the throw it back. So you wanna go whoa. Now, I've made a detailed tutorial on how to throw it back. So if you don't know how to do that, go check it out. I'll link to it somewhere here. And for the guys, basically what you wanna do is just take your hands up here, and then you wanna just take a small, I wanna say slide, or more like a jump, and then you slide your right leg in. Yeah, sorry, left leg in. So jumping on your right, sliding your left in. So when you do it at the same time, it's gonna look like this. Yeah, so you go up. All right, and the lady goes whoom. You can also do it to the other side. I actually think most people do to this side, but I cannot throw it back. Only this side. Now, if you don't want to throw it back, you can do anything really. You can do nasty, 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 whatever. Okay guys, let's do a quick recap here of part 1. So, from the tip top, we go left, up, cross, up, around, clap, now swing, left, right, step back and go hit, and pull. Now we want to step to the front, say elbow left, around, and then wave. Now throw it back. Now, I'm gonna explain the timing, but I'll be using different words than the actual lyrics because apparently you can get copyright claims if you use the lyrics. Okay, let's try. So the timing goes, sausage, clap, crabby, booger, rabbit. Yeah. And it goes gassy, booty, and then nasty. Nasty is still the same word. Alright, now let's practice. So I'm gonna count to 8 and then we're gonna go sausage. So 5, 6, 7, 8. We go sausage, clap, crabby, booger, rabbit, click, then gassy, booty, and then nasty. Alright, let's try that a bit faster. So 5, 6, 7, 8. We go sausage, clap, crabby, booger, rabbit, click, gassy, booty, nasty. Let's try that one last time. So 5, 6, 7, 8. We go sausage, clap, crabby, booger, rabbit, click, gassy, booty, nasty.